A powerful tribute to the fallen heroes of D-Day has found a new and permanent resting place. The 1,475 silhouettes, each a solemn reminder of the lives lost, have been given a home at Fort Nelson in Portsmouth, a fitting location with deep military connections. Created by the Oxfordshire charity Standing with Giants, these silhouettes have stood tall above Gold Beach in France, guarding the memories of those who fought and fell. But when it came time to return to the UK, they faced an uncertain future. That is, until Fort Nelson stepped in. "We couldn't let these powerful symbols of remembrance go without a home," said Nigel Hosier, head of operations at Fort Nelson. "It was an easy decision for us. We're honored to provide a space for them." The charity's founders, Dan and Jeanette Barton, have been tirelessly working to ensure these silhouettes find a permanent display. "We're thrilled to be back at Fort Nelson," Dan Barton said. "It's a place with a rich military history, and we feel it's the perfect fit for our artwork." But here's where it gets controversial. The choice of Fort Nelson has sparked some debate. With Portsmouth's direct links to D-Day, some argue that the city should have a more prominent memorial. Others believe that the silhouette's new home at Fort Nelson provides a more intimate and reflective space for remembrance. And this is the part most people miss. The story of these silhouettes is not just about the past, but also about the present and future. It's a reminder that we must never forget the sacrifices made, and it's a call to action for us all to honor those sacrifices in our daily lives. The D-Day landings of June 6, 1944, were a pivotal moment in history. Troops from the UK, US, Canada, and France bravely attacked German forces, and Portsmouth played a crucial role as one of the key embarkation points. It's a history that Fort Nelson now helps to preserve and share. "It's about continuing the remembrance," Jeanette Barton explained. "We must never forget the ultimate sacrifice made by so many." So, what do you think? Is Fort Nelson the right home for these powerful silhouettes? Or should we be looking for more prominent memorials in our cities? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation and keep the memory of these heroes alive.